So I've done a video before where I demonstrated how the OKECBOT software works and how you can use the software. You can check the description box or click here to watch that video. But when I was going through that video, I noticed that I did not actually teach you how you can set proxy on the software. So this video is more like a continuation of that video, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can do that. You can use the changing of proxy features to make your devices and bots come from different locations, including India, USA, Africa, Lagos, UK, and anywhere around the world. So without any further waste of time, let's get onto my computer and let's learn how to do that. So basically, this is how to set proxy on your devices after setting the amount of device you want to clone. Like this, let's say I want to clone like 5 of each operating system, Windows or Android, Mac 5, then also iPhone 5. Yeah, so this looks good. Then family, let me just call it text proxy. Now the next thing, to select the time zone, I'll put the time zone to be let's say Africa. Okay, Lagos. I'm expecting the pop-up. Okay, yeah, cool. So on this proxy now, it depends on wherever you are getting your proxies from. What proxy does actually is to change the location of all these devices to make them all unique, like I said before. So you just go to the site. It depends though, but the site where I used to get my own proxy is webshare.io basically. So let me just quickly go and get a proxy. Now I go to proxy list and I'll get a proxy for Nigeria and I'll fill it in that home space. So all I need is the proxy address, the proxy port, the username and the password. So let me quickly do that now. So I have gotten the proxy details and I'll fill it in there. So now let me click on start build. So a lot of people think because I've not been putting these proxies, all this why this feature is not working, but it does. So let me just clone all these devices now and I'll fill in their proxy. So let's just wait a bit. Okay, it has finished uploading and now we have a a bot family that says test proxy. So the next thing to do is to create an activity. What I'm just going to want them to do is that whenever they pop up, they are going to visit this website, device info. That is where you check your device's location. So I go to create model and I will go to browser tool. Then after that, visit the website http www.deviceinfo.me. Everybody that has been following knows how this part works. This is where you decide that your bot are going to be visiting not only the site but all the actions that they're going to be doing. So basically, let's just say 2 to 4 minutes on that website. So add it to the activity chain. So and after doing that, now I save it. So let me save this as device info. Device info show here. Save. So it's updating this action now to my API key, uploading the action to the server using my API key. So it has done that. So I click on next now. So that is basically what the use of proxy does in the software. It makes the devices have different and unique location. Though actually what proxy does in general sense is more than that. So you can actually check the description or look here to watch the video which I did where I talked about proxy in details. So after cloning these devices and setting proxy to make them unique, the next thing you're going to do is to give them activities to execute. You can make it visible for you to see, and you can also hide it in a way that this bot is going to be running in the background. so it's not going to be consuming too much of RAM. So I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, then you might consider dropping a like so that the algorithm can recommend this video to other people that might also find it helpful. And if you'd like to see more valuable content like this, then you might consider subscribing to this channel. There are also some other videos that are showing up on your screen right now that you might also consider watching. And that's going to be all for this video, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next one. Peace.